Are you ready to discover a hidden gem in the stock market that could have explosive growth potential? Today, we're diving deep into Gorilla Technology Group Incorporated, ticker symbol GRRR, a promising company in the booming tech sector. With a current stock price of $8.88, this penny stock might just be the opportunity you've been looking for. Stick with me as we explore what makes this company special, its growth potential, and what you should know before investing. Before we dive in, can we hit a goal of 500 likes on this video? Your support helps us continue creating quality content like this. And one more thing, a quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and provides basic information. Always do your own research or consult a financial advisor before investing in any stock. Now, let's get into it. Who is Gorilla Technology Group? Gorilla Technology Group is a cutting-edge company specializing in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and big data analytics. They've built a reputation as a leader in video analytics and smart city solutions, two sectors that are growing at an incredible pace. With governments and private companies investing heavily in these areas, Gorilla is positioned to capitalize on this growing demand. Their technology has diverse applications. For example, their AI-driven video analytics can be used for real-time surveillance in public safety, retail environments, and even traffic management systems. Imagine a smart city that can predict traffic jams before they happen or enhance public safety using AI-powered tools. This is the type of future Gorilla is working toward. Why this stock stands out? What's really exciting about Gorilla is its involvement in the smart city revolution. As cities worldwide adopt digital solutions to improve efficiency, security, and sustainability, Gorilla is emerging as a key player in this transformation. From traffic control to energy management, their technology is making cities smarter and safer. This global trend toward urban modernization is a multi-billion-dollar market, and Gorilla has already secured partnerships across Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. At just $8.88 per share, Gorilla Technology Group offers an intriguing opportunity for investors. Its current valuation as a small-cap stock leaves plenty of room for growth. With increasing revenue streams and a foothold in lucrative markets, some analysts believe GRRR could see substantial gains in the coming years. Growth potential. One reason Gorilla stands out is its ability to scale. The company isn't just limited to one region, it has global ambitions. Recent contracts in the Middle East and Asia demonstrate their ability to adapt and grow in diverse markets. Their technology also aligns with macroeconomic trends. AI adoption, cybersecurity needs, and smart infrastructure development are all areas of rapid growth. While the current market for video analytics and smart city solutions is already worth billions, it's expected to expand significantly in the next decade. Gorilla's innovative approach and proven track record position it well to capture this market. But let's be clear, like any penny stock, this one comes with risks. Small-cap stocks can be volatile, and Gorilla is no exception. However, for those willing to accept some risk for potentially high rewards, GRRR could be worth a closer look. Key features of Gorilla Technology. Let's break down what makes Gorilla unique. AI-driven video analytics. This technology allows for real-time analysis in areas like public safety, retail optimization, and even environmental monitoring. Cybersecurity solutions. In today's digital age, data protection is crucial, and Gorilla provides robust solutions for safeguarding information. Global partnerships. Gorilla has already built strong relationships with governments and corporations worldwide, giving it a competitive edge. So, is Gorilla Technology Group the best penny stock to buy now? That's for you to decide. With a solid foundation in growing industries and a stock price that offers potential upside, GRRR is certainly worth considering. However, remember that investing always carries risks. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and consider your financial goals before making any decisions. Let me know in the comments, do you think Gorilla Technology Group is poised for growth, or are there other penny stocks on your radar? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to help us hit that 500 like goal and subscribe for more in-depth stock analyses.